Hi guys, today I'm back making some more earrings. Now I was in Kmart this morning and I picked up a glitter pack that they had. It's got all sorts of glitters, but I really like this one. Now it's not technically glitter, it's more like it's shredded opaque goodness. Anyway, I am going to add that to some UV resin and make some earrings. Okay, so I thought I'd make the second smallest size. This has some dark blue filaments in it as well, but it just really looks so opaly and so pretty. So I'm just going to fill up this mold and we'll see what the end product turns out like. But yes, I really liked this glitter when I saw it. It's quite thick, the mixture, because I'm fairly sure I did put a lot of that glitter in the mixture. Okay, I'm going to take these over to my UV lamp now, and I am going to put them under the UV lamp for 2 minutes a side. So I'm going to do 2 minutes this side, and then when they're still in the mold, I'm going to flip over and hit them from the other side for 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so they've had 2 minutes each side. And these little bits here, they just scratch off. But look at that opalescent. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Wow, look at that. It is so opaly, so pretty. Well, let me clean up these edges and I'll be back with the finished product. So guys, I've just used this mold that I've used the last few weeks, and I've made some circle rounds here just to add a topper piece. And there you have it, the finished product. I've added a jump ring and a back, and they're ready to wear. Such a quick and easy craft, and gosh, look at the sparkle on those beauties. Well, if you like earrings and you like quick crafts, give this one a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.